Here's Laurena Sanchez showing off her skills as a helicopter pilot, touching down in Jeff Bezos' chopper on a floating landing pad. Laurena hopped in her billionaire fiancé helicopter Wednesday off the coast of Sardinia, taking the control and zipping around before successfully landing on the support yacht of the Amazon founder super yacht. Yes, Jeff new 500 million super yacht Kuro also has a 1 million support vessel. It's named Beona, the Roman goddess of voyages and departure, and it's got a helipad. It looked like Laurena was practicing takeoff and landings because she went up and down a few times. Our source says Laurena piloted this helicopter often, usually to airport where the couple hops on private jets, and this wasn't the first time landing on a Beona. Laurena's parents are both pilots, and she got her helicopter pilot license from a flight school in Los Angeles. She also had her own aviation company, and now she is landing chopper on yacht parked off Italian Iceland. Before Wednesday takeoff and landing, we saw Laurena and Jeff returning from land on a supposed up speedboat as they continued their early honeymoon across Europe.